Wifey is cooking Indian chicken. Here is the onion. Look at all that onion. All that for only 2 pieces of chicken.
And that is 3 onions. Saute them for a while. Now we need 3 tomatoes. I know that looks like about 1 million tomatoes, but it's apparently only 3. Just keep cooking those till they're as little like tomato as you possibly can. Now we've got spices, cinnamon, cardamom, peppercorns, cumin seeds, garam masala, chili powder, and salt. And guess where they go? Yep, right into the mixture. Stir them up. Keep trying to make that tomato as less tomato as you can. We also need some ginger pulp and some garlic pulp. Again, your goal here is to make that as less like tomato as humanly possible. Now, here's a secret. Use one of those mixing wands so that you can get that really nice texture that they have at most Indian restaurants. Now, it's smooth and goes nicely on the bread instead of full of chunks like of tomato. See, look at that. That looks like proper Indian food. That looks like chicken. The chicken goes into the nicely blended up mixture. And you add some plain yogurt. Mix that all in nicely. And cover and cook for a while. Maybe like 15 minutes till the chicken's done. And finally we're going to add some lemon juice, some fresh cilantro, and some fresh green chilies. That's the last stage. Those go in at the last and get mixed in. Meantime, you want to make yourself some naan, or we prefer roti, but that's your own personal preference, but here they are. You can also do rice with it if you're one of those ricey people. And here's the verdict. The chef gets to experiment.